Chubby Bunny Challenge. Before that, we have to thank Kuya Nico for these new clothes. Thank you all. Thank you, Kuya Nico. Thank you, Kuya Nico.
Okay.
So let's start. Let's bring it closer to us. Okay, so we have to bring a marshmallow and put it in our mouth and then say Chubby Bunny.
Okay, start.
Me first. Don't eat!
No, she's
Chubby
putting it
Bunny.
inside. Okay.
Ah!
It's okay. Continue.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Oh my god. Chubby Bunny. Ay!
Huh?
Chubby Bunny.
Three.
Chubby Bunny.
Four.
3 only, mommy.
Four na.
Ah, there. 4.
Chubby Bunny.
Four.
Chubby Bunny.
Next. 5.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
6.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Put it properly. It's outside na.
10.
No. Okay.
What?
Oh, Shiny. Fix it.
Again.
You too, Archie. Fix it.
I'll say it.
Oh, say, you need to be able to close your mouth.
Uh.
Oh, Shiny, put it inside.
I can't anymore.
Eat one, and then if you were able to save Chubby Bunny, you won. Go. Eat one.
That's one.
more.
Try to put one more. Okay.
Please, sis.
I'll say
Okay.
it.
So, yay! Okay. Put it here na. No! Here.
Ew.
Okay.
That blood?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Actually, wanna get so bye, guys.
Don't forget.
Don't